I went to advanced implant dentistry because I needed a miracle. And I found my miracle worker here. 30 years ago, I had implants, but they were connected to permanent teeth. So I was told by my dentist that they might last about 25 to 30 years, which they did, but I might have to replace them because my teeth would move. My teeth are going to move. The permanent teeth are going to move. So I had a different set of problems than other people because I actually needed restoration, construction, reconstruction, everything for my top. When I first came here, I was actually kind of depressed because I didn't know, the dentist before this told me that I needed a miracle. I said, I'm gonna find it in Cedarhurst. He said, you might. I said, okay, and I really did. My consultation with Dr. Klein, when I walked out of that office, it was like, oh my God, I actually found somebody to do everything I needed to do, everything. When you come for your appointments, you get hand massages, you get to choose what kind of music you like. It's actually a very spa-like environment here, and I actually look forward to coming back for my maintenance treatments. When I leave here, I am very relaxed. There's also the aroma therapy that you get. I just love it. I just love it. After the work was done, I felt even better. And here I am. I was very relieved that they were able to do the work that I needed. I had no swelling. I mean, I had no problems at all, none. And I would recommend this place to anyone.